Hey everyone, I got my order in from Safya and it is gorgeous. I bought smaller packages this time, and whatever I don't use I will be selling, but most likely I'll use the majority of it because I'm making some soft-sided journal covers. So I got these 3 pieces here that I probably will sell. I don't use a lot of these on my journals, but they're beautiful regardless. And then these 2 pieces, and I still have some from the last large bundles I bought from her that I'm thinking, I've had a lot of people say they would love to buy some, but they can't afford it, so I'm thinking of breaking it up into smaller kits to sell to recover my money. So this is a peach color, and it is stunning. This one I bought specifically to make a journal cover with, and I absolutely love it. I think it will make a beautiful Christmas journal cover. It's got burgundies and pinks and greens and golds in it. And then I got these 2 pieces. You know what, I think it'd be a great idea to put these in the bingo prizes. Maybe then somebody who's never had any of Safya's stuff will win it. This is a really large piece, and this is also going to be a journal cover. I just love them. I love everything she has. So then I got, now tell me, that would be gorgeous on the cover of a shabby chic journal. I love this piece. Look at this. Anybody learns how to make these, can crochet these, and then put the little stone in them, you can get rich. It's gorgeous. These I don't use, so this will probably either go in a little kit or a little bingo kit. I got some more of the trims. I love that piece. Oh wow. I absolutely adore this piece. This is just stunning. There's 2 of them. Wow, I love this piece. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love this one. Of course, y'all know I love anything pink, but check it out. This will probably be a journal cover that I make for myself. I love it. And then, yeah, I think that'll be a journal cover as well. I'm gonna soak it all really well in a vat with some Dawn, and then rinse it really well, and then soak it again with some Downy. It does have a moldy odor to it, musty odor I want to say, and I'm sure that's from being packed so tight and shipped all the way from India. And no telling what it encountered on the way. Here's another one of those flowers that would be gorgeous on a journal cover. Oh, what is this trim? I love this trim. That'd be pretty for Christmas. This is cool. Hadn't seen this in her stuff before, but I love it. Okay, let me put this over here. Next package is cool. Wow, big piece. Oh, I love this piece. Look at that. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then I got this piece. I love this one. Here's another piece. Large pieces in this package. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love this one too. Now, I am more of a silver person than gold, and I've noticed a lot of their stuff is in gold. This is pretty, but it's not something that I would want for myself, so this will probably go in a resale bundle. I just don't do gold. I don't know. I just don't do a lot of gold. There's a lot of trims, and of course it's all gold, so that'll probably go into bingo packages. Here's another little flower with some lace behind it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And of course you can't have pink without getting some green to go with it, so I bought a green pack, smaller one. I love that. That is stunning. That would make a great Traveler's Notebook cover for like a teenage girl. And then there is this piece. Can't tell if it's 1 or 2 pieces in this one. This piece. This piece. That piece. That piece. And this piece. So, the majority of the gold on here will be covered up with pink. I'm just not a gold person. You know, it doesn't really bother me that much, but, and I'm sure there are other people that will like it, but for things that I had in mind to make this with, I know the clients that I wanted it for, they're not going to want all this gold either. So, it'll either end up in bingo, it'll end up in resale, or it'll be in clusters, covered up, partially covered up. I really love this silver though. But not a piece of it will go to waste, trust me. Because regardless of what you use it in, it always ends up beautiful and better than what you think it will anyway. So that's it. This is everything that I bought this time from Safya. And I do appreciate it, and it really did not take as long as I expected it to. So I'm happy that it got here as fast as it did. And I'll see you soon. I did go to a estate sale and a couple of yard sales today, but didn't get a lot. But I'll show you what I did get. See you soon. Bye-bye.